Attention Florida homeowners, are you prepared for the unexpected? From hurricanes to floods, the Sunshine State presents unique challenges when it comes to protecting your home. In this video, we'll dive into the ins and outs of home insurance in Florida, revealing crucial tips, must-know coverage options, and recent market changes. Don't risk leaving your home vulnerable. Stay tuned to ensure you have the right coverage and peace of mind. Let's get started. Hi everyone, Meral Ibrahim here, Realtor with Coldwell Banker Realty in the beautiful Palm Beaches, Florida. Welcome back to our channel. I hope you're all doing well and staying prepared for whatever Mother Nature throws our way. Speaking of preparedness, today's video is all about home insurance in Florida in 2023. We're going to cover everything you need to know to make sure your home is protected and your mind is at ease. Now, we all know that living in Florida comes with its fair share of unique challenges. From the stunning beaches to the occasional not so friendly hurricanes, our state is no stranger to extreme weather. And that's why having the right home insurance coverage is crucial. In this video, we'll break it down for you. We'll start by understanding the basics of home insurance in Florida. We'll talk about the different types of coverage you can expect, such as dwelling coverage, personal property coverage, liability coverage, and additional living expenses coverage. But hold on, there's more. We'll also explore any specific coverage options that are particularly important for us Floridians, like hurricane coverage and flood insurance. Now, let's face it, insurance rates are a hot topic, and we'll address that too. We'll discuss how rates are determined in Florida and what factors come into play. Trust me, it's not just about the location. Home age, construction, type, and deductible choices can all have an impact on your premiums. So, we'll share some insights to help you make informed decisions. But hey, we're not stopping there. We'll dive into the challenges and considerations that Florida homeowners face. Think hurricanes, tropical storms, and flooding. We'll explore how these weather phenomena affect our insurance rates and coverage options. Plus, we'll touch on any recent changes in Florida's insurance market that you should be aware of. And it's important to stay in the loop, right? Now, how do you choose the right home insurance policy for your needs? That's a big question, and we've got your back. We'll provide you with some tips on comparing policies, getting multiple quotes, and finding a reliable insurance provider. And hey, we'll even suggest some additional coverage options that could be beneficial for you, like sinkhole coverage or extended replacement cost coverage. Plus, we'll share some proactive measures you can take to mitigate risks, lower your premiums, and protect your home. It's all about being prepared and staying one step ahead. So, Florida homeowners, are you ready? Grab a pen and paper because we're about to equip you with the knowledge you need to make informed decisions about your home insurance. Don't risk leaving your home vulnerable. Stay tuned because you don't want to miss any of this valuable information. Let's dive right in and make sure you have the right coverage and peace of mind. Ready? Let's get started. Home insurance is essentially a contract between you and an insurance company, its purpose being to financially protect your home and belongings in case of unexpected events such as fire, theft, or natural disasters. Think of it as a safety net that can help you recover and rebuild if something unfortunate happens. Now, when it comes to the types of coverage typically offered in Florida, there are a few key ones to know about. First up, we have dwelling coverage. This is the core component of your home insurance policy, and it covers the structure of your house itself. So if, heaven forbid, your house is damaged by a fire or a hurricane, dwelling coverage would help pay for the repairs or even the rebuilding of your home. Next, we have personal property coverage. This is all about protecting your belongings like furniture, appliances, electronics, and clothing. If any of these items are stolen, damaged, or destroyed, your personal property coverage can step in to help cover the cost of replacing them. Now, liability coverage is another important aspect of home insurance. It offers protection if someone gets injured on your property and decides to sue you. Liability coverage can help with legal expenses, medical bills, and any damages awarded to the injured party. It's crucial to have this coverage as unexpected accidents can happen to anyone. But wait, there's more. In Florida, there are specific coverage options that are particularly relevant to our unique circumstances. One of them is hurricane coverage. As we all know, hurricanes can be a serious threat here in Florida. So having this coverage can help protect your home from hurricane-related damages, such as strong winds or flooding. Another important coverage option to consider in Florida is flood insurance. Our state is prone to heavy rainfall and coastal flooding, so standard home insurance policies usually don't include flood coverage. That's where flood insurance comes in, offering protection specifically for flood-related damages to your property and belongings. Now, you might be wondering, how are insurance rates determined here in Florida? Well, there are a few factors that insurers take into account. First, the location of your home plays a significant role. If you live in an area prone to natural disasters or high crime rates, your rates may be higher. The age of your home also matters. Older homes might have outdated electrical systems or plumbing, which can increase the risk of accidents. Insurers consider the construction type as well. For example, a house built with sturdy materials like concrete might be viewed as less risky than a house made of wood. And let's not forget about deductibles. A deductible is the amount you agree to pay out of pocket before your insurance coverage kicks in. Generally, higher deductibles can lead to lower premiums, but it's important to choose a deductible that you can comfortably afford in case you need to make a claim. So, to sum it up, home insurance coverage is there to protect your home and belongings from unexpected events. In Florida, it typically includes dwelling coverage, personal property coverage, liability coverage, and additional living expenses coverage. And here in our state, it's important to consider specific coverage options like hurricane coverage and flood insurance. When it comes to rates, factors like location, home age, construction type, and deductible choices are taken into account. Remember, it's always a good idea to review your policy and speak with an insurance professional to make sure you have the right coverage for your specific needs. Don't hesitate to ask questions and explore your options. Your home is a valuable investment, and having the right insurance coverage can provide peace of mind. Now let's talk about how Florida's climate can impact home insurance rates and coverage. Living in the Sunshine State definitely has its perks, but it also comes with some unique challenges when it comes to insuring our homes. First and foremost, we have to address the risks associated with hurricanes, tropical storms, and flooding. As we all know, Florida is no stranger to these powerful weather events. From the strong winds of hurricanes to the heavy rainfall and storm surge, our state can experience significant damage during these occurrences. These risks play a crucial role in determining home insurance rates and coverage in Florida. Insurers have to consider the likelihood and potential severity of these weather events when setting premiums. The higher the risk, the higher the premiums are likely to be. When it comes to evaluating the risk of hurricanes, insurers take several factors into account. First, they look at historical data and analyze hurricane patterns in our region. They consider the frequency and intensity of hurricanes that have affected Florida in the past. This helps them assess the likelihood of future events. Another important factor is the specific location of your home. Coastal areas and regions prone to flooding are generally considered higher risk. Properties near the coast or in designated flood zones may have higher insurance rates due to the increased vulnerability to storm surges and water damage. Insurers also evaluate the construction of your home. Homes built to withstand strong winds and storms, such as those meeting strict building codes, may be viewed as lower risk and therefore qualify for lower premiums. On the other hand, older homes or those with less resilient construction materials might have higher premiums. It's worth noting that Florida's insurance market has experienced some changes in recent years. One significant change is the increasing costs of reinsurance for insurance companies. Reinsurance is basically insurance for insurers. As the cost of reinsurance goes up, it can impact the overall cost of home insurance policies. Additionally, some insurers have been reducing their exposure in high-risk areas or even exiting the Florida market altogether. This can limit the options available to homeowners and potentially lead to higher premiums as demand outweighs supply. These recent changes in the insurance market highlight the importance of staying informed and regularly reviewing your coverage. It's a good idea to consult with your insurance provider or seek guidance from an insurance professional who specializes in Florida home insurance. They can help you navigate these changes and find the best coverage options for your needs. Remember, knowledge is power. By understanding the impact of Florida's climate on home insurance rates and coverage, as well as the risks associated with hurricanes, tropical storms, and flooding, you can make informed decisions to protect your home and ensure you have the right coverage in place. All right, let's dive into the next important topic: shopping around for home insurance and obtaining multiple quotes. Trust me, it's a step you don't want to miss. Why is it so important to shop around? Well, different insurance companies have different rates, different coverages, and policies. By obtaining multiple quotes, you can compare and find the best fit for your specific needs. It's all about finding that sweet spot between comprehensive coverage and affordable premiums. So, what key factors should you consider when comparing insurance policies? Let's break it down. First, take a close look at the coverage limits. These limits determine the maximum amount the insurance company will pay for a covered claim. Make sure the coverage limits align with the value of your home and belongings so you are adequately protected. Next up, deductibles. A deductible is the amount you agree to pay out of pocket before your insurance coverage kicks in. Choosing the right deductible is crucial. Higher deductibles generally mean lower premiums, but you want to make sure you can comfortably afford the deductible if you need to make a claim. Exclusions are another important factor to consider. These are situations or perils that are not covered by your insurance policy. Pay attention to the exclusions listed in the policy and make sure you understand them. You may want to explore additional coverage options if you need protection for specific risks not covered by a standard policy. Endorsements are like little add-ons to your policy. They promote extra coverage for specific items or situations. For example, you might want to consider an endorsement for valuable jewelry or collectibles. Think about your unique needs and consider if any endorsements could provide that extra peace of mind. Now let's talk about finding a reputable insurance provider. It's crucial to work with a company that has a solid reputation and financial stability. Start by doing your research. Look for companies with good customer reviews and ratings. Check if they have a history of timely claims processing and excellent customer service. To assess their financial stability, you can review the ratings provided by independent rating agencies such as AM Best, Moody's, or Standard & Poor's. These ratings indicate the company's ability to meet its financial obligations and pay claims. It's an essential step to ensure you're choosing an insurer that can truly back you up when you need them. Lastly, let's explore some additional coverage options that can be beneficial for Florida homeowners. One option to consider is sinkhole coverage. Florida is known for its unique geological features, and sinkholes can pose a significant risk. Sinkhole coverage can help protect you if your property is affected by sinkhole-related damages. Another option is extended replacement cost coverage. This coverage can be valuable in a state prone to severe weather events. It provides extra coverage that goes beyond your home's insured value, allowing for the increased costs of rebuilding or repairing your home, even if they exceed the policy's limits. Remember, these additional coverage options may come with additional costs, so evaluate your needs and budget carefully. Consult with your insurance agent or broker to discuss the best options for your specific situation. By shopping around, comparing quotes, considering key factors like coverage limits, deductibles, exclusions, and endorsements, and selecting a reputable insurance provider, you can find the right coverage for your Florida home. Don't forget to explore additional coverage options that can provide that extra layer of protection. It's all about securing your home and peace of mind. Now let's talk about how you, the homeowner, can take proactive steps to mitigate risks and potentially lower your insurance premiums. By being proactive, you not only protect your home, but also demonstrate to insurance companies that you're taking steps to minimize potential risks. One way to mitigate risks is by installing hurricane shutters. These shutters are specifically designed to protect your windows and doors during severe weather events. By adding this extra layer of protection, you can reduce the likelihood of damage caused by high winds, flying debris, and even break-ins. Many insurance companies offer discounts for homes equipped with hurricane shutters as they see it as a risk reduction measure. Another proactive step is upgrading your home's roofing. In Florida, where hurricanes and strong winds are a concern, having a sturdy and wind-resistant roof is crucial. Consider investing in impact-resistant roofing materials that can withstand the impact of debris and strong winds. Insurance companies often reward homeowners with lower premiums for having the roofs that meet certain wind resistance standards. Maintaining your home's overall safety features can also have a positive impact. Ensure that your home has proper electrical wiring, smoke detectors, and fire extinguishers. By having these safety measures in place, you minimize the risk of fire-related damages and potential injury. Insurance companies often offer discounts for homes with up-to-date safety systems. Another way to potentially lower your insurance premiums is by increasing your home's security. Installing a burglar alarm system, motion sensor lights, or security cameras can deter potential intruders and reduce the risk of theft or vandalism. Insurance companies may reward homeowners who take those proactive steps by offering discounts on their policies. Additionally, maintaining a good claims history can help in the long run. By promptly addressing any minor issues and making necessary repairs, you can prevent small problems from escalating into larger ones. This demonstrates to insurance companies that you are a responsible homeowner and they may consider you a lower risk, resulting in potentially lower premiums. Remember, each insurance company may have different guidelines and discount programs, so it's essential to check with your specific provider to understand the proactive measures that can help you save on premiums. By taking steps to mitigate risks and enhance the safety and security of your home, you not only protect your investment, but also potentially reduce your insurance costs. Being proactive is not only a smart financial move, but also gives you peace of mind knowing that you've done your part to safeguard your home and loved ones. So take the necessary steps to mitigate risks and lower those insurance premiums. Your home deserves the best protection possible. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it and it was helpful in some way. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell right next to it so you will be notified of my new videos. I put out a new video every single week, so you don't want to miss them. If you're looking to buy or sell in the Palm Beaches, Florida, let me know. I would love to help. The best way to get in touch is to register on my website, homesbymeral.com. The link is below. And do check out the resource library in the description because everything is free. I hope you're having a good day and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.